Good morning, students. In second chapter, your next topic is nutritive and non-nutritive components of diet. First one is nutritive components. Nutritive components are those components which are rich in nutrition values are called nutritive components of food. The major components are carbohydrates, fats, protein, vitamins. We already study about these nutrients. Second is non-nutritive components of diet. Non-nutritive components are those components of food which don't give energy and calories. They do not have nutritional values and are not added to food and beverages products. These are designed to make the food smell better, taste better, last longer and look better. Following are the non-nutritive components are first one is flavor and fragrances. To make the food flavored and full of fragrances, number of ingredients is added to the food. Second is artificial sweeteners. Third one is preservatives. Fourth is food dyes and water and roughage. Your next topic is eating for weight control, a healthy weight, pitfalls of dieting, food intolerance and food myths. First one is eating for weight control. A healthy lifestyles involve many choices. Among them, choosing a balanced diet, a healthy eating plan plays a significant role to keep you fit and your weight under control. According to the dietary guidelines, a healthy eating plan first one is emphasis on fruits, vegetables, whole grains and fat-free or low-fat milk and milk products. Include meat, fish, poultry, beans, eggs and nuts. Third is stay within your daily calories needs. A healthy eating plan helps you manage your weight and keep weight under control. Second topic is a healthy weight. What is a healthy weight? A healthy weight is that weight which is ideal according to your height, weight, age, gender and body type. Maintaining a healthy weight isn't about short-term dietary changes. It is about a lifestyle includes healthy eating and regular physical activities and balancing the number of calories you consume. Your healthy weight may be different from friends and family. Often even you are the same age and height. Methods to maintain a healthy weight. First one is don't skip breakfast. Breakfast kickstarts your metabolism and gives you energy to do more work during the day. So have healthy breakfast with fruits and sprouts. Second is regular exercises. Physical activities burns calories and build muscles. It helps you to feel good and keep your healthy weight. Third is decrease screen time. Nowadays people spend most of the time as screen time by watching TV, computer, mobile devices, playing video games, etc. This make you inactive. So decrease the screen time and spend your maximum time to keep your body active. Fourth is reduce sugar intake. Sugar intake is a key factor in weight gain. You need to cut down the sugar beverages. Fifth is eat 5 servings of fruits and veggies daily. These are the rich sources of vitamins, minerals, fibers. These keep you fresh and fill your stomach up. So when you fill up on fruits and vegetables, you are less likely to overweight. Next topic is the pitfalls of dieting. What is the meaning of it? Pitfalls. Pitfalls are the causes of dieting. We all know losing weight is not as simple as we think. People trying every day new dietary tricks to lose their fat. But research tells us that 90% of dieters gain their weight back. The major pitfalls of dieting are first one is underestimating how much you eat. It is a fact that most of dieters underestimate the number of calories they consume. They make you aware. Keep a detailed food chart journal. Second is lack of proper nutrition. Dieting leads to limit major nutrients. You cut out the carbohydrates, fat, proteins and other nutrients. Try to understand the body needs all form of nutrients to keep yourself healthy. Third point is not understanding the individual requirement. Two are not alike. Every individual have different needs. We have unique biochemistry, food tolerance, nutrient needs, metabolic rate, activity level, etc. So without understanding an individual's need, following a particular dietary plan really more harmful. Fourth one is skipping breakfast. Do you think skipping breakfast will save your calories? It is not true. It is really not hungry. Then check how much you are eating in the evening. Eating breakfast keeps your sugar level stable. Next point is damaged organs. All the organs of the body also require certain amount of nutrients. However, diet plan are not going to provide you with the full nutrients which the body needs, and this will eventually damage your organs. Next topic is food intolerance. In simple words, that food are or it particles those cannot be digested by our body is called food intolerance. There are certain things in food which our body cannot digest. This type of food causes various problems like vomiting, acidity, and loose motion, etc. Causes of food intolerance: lack of enzymes responsible for breaking down particles of food. Second is lack of fiber in diet. Third is excess intake of fried food. Fourth is unhealthy food. Food myths. There are following myths about the food. First one is don't take heavy breakfast, do not eat frequently, do not drink water during meals. Fourth one is do not take milk just after eating fish. Fifth one is egg increases cholesterol level. Next is eating late nights makes you fatty. Rich and potatoes increase obesity. These are only the myths, nothing else.